Okay, so recently I did not really have the time to work a lot around the onboarding and corpredict because I was busy trying to create a marketing strategy for the current version of the product, which is secure.io. Since Roland Garros is coming pretty soon right now, I need to communicate around this in order to make a little amount of money. So yeah, there'll be more focus on corpredict in the future, but right now I have to make a marketing strategy which is more, it's in the top priority instead of building this product. Anyway, we have around 2 hours in front of us, and the goal is to progress on the onboarding pages. So far we get that. It's just not stored into the database. It's not stored, it doesn't, we need to do the step 3 basically. That's what I'm trying to say. We need to do the step 3, which is the competition step, which will require to add another stuff into the database. Now we have the language. Oh no, I have to make an UI here, a language selector, because so far the website is in English. How are we gonna do it? Well, it's pretty simple. Because Laravel is a great application, and I'm using the package, what is the name again? Spatty Laravel translatable, and we just have to define inside of our controller or anything, we just have to set the session to a certain value, and then it will automatically translate the language. It will automatically get the right translation that is in the database. For instance, if I said applicant to FR, I guess what I'm going to, no, it doesn't work. That's unfortunate. Let's see. I thought it was that. It worked the other day. Dig up the config file, yeah. Available local, app local, default English. We need to change this. I don't remember how to do it though. So this will be the first step of the day. And the second step will be to start to make the third step of the formula. This was what I was missing. And why did this thing? I only suspect that it was like ChatGPT generated. That's not what we want. And super locals, I don't think this is not, no, it's available locals. So I think it's quite good right now. If the local is in the area of this variable, then we set the app and store it in the station. Why do you store it into the station? I don't even know. But anyway. So now, if we set the session, the app session to FL, to French basically, in theory, we should get the French version of the website. And we do not. Because we're not supposed to put it here, we're supposed to put it here. And there we go. Anglais et français. The front-end things are not translated because I didn't do it yet. But that's what we're gonna do. I'm going to commit what I've done on the language and then create the language selector. Let's go. The AI is not on point. Anyway, I just wanted to try. I don't want to debug, I could accept it, etc. It would be too much back and forth. And I prefer to build it myself. Chassis, I need to do chassis and pop over. I don't know if it's really what I want. Apparently I already have it. Why is there so many things just for fucking... Anyway. Shut up, Samuel, shut up. Do not be mean like that. It's not good. It's not good for the health. I don't know what is this. We need this to be on this side. Actually, we need this to be on the directly on the relative grid. This could be nice. Yeah, just here. No, I have to put it into a div. Let's see. Yeah. Now why don't we have a nice button? Because we have to set it up as a button. Sometimes frontend is good. Most of the time it's painful. I can't wait to have an AI that could properly do frontend and properly do backend well. I'm probably asking too much here. But yeah, that's the code. Just have to either, let me check if I have another example of language selector. To have like example. Yeah. I wish I could be a designer. AI was really good at coding, but this is nice. Pretty bad at designing things. Like if you try Lovable, it's nice, but it's far from being good enough. Like far from being good enough. Oh shit. So this is nice. I don't need this. Inside of that I can put the languages. New term, and then they use the radio term to display the data. Oh, you don't see it, but I'm on the Shatsian documentation. Of course it doesn't work. Would be way too easy. There we go. It's a bit bigger. I wonder if this set, yeah. Now we just need to loop over that. If I remember correctly, it's page. I don't remember correctly. So it's page.props now. Page.props dot languages as language oh, it's in. What means? Okay, so I've finished the frontend for the language selector. I've ended up with something that doesn't look too bad. Now there is no logic behind it in terms of backend. You say it doesn't change any language in the French and English is still in English, but it's looking decent. It's looking decent. Perhaps this should be a bit more gray. I don't know. Anyway, let's move to the next, to the logic, to the backend logic. Why is it English? Oh, I know, because this middleware come first. We need to update the bootstrap and put this before inertia, and now it will work. So now everything works. It refreshes and changes the language. There is like a little, because the watch is kind of late when you click, but it's fine. I mean, who cares? No one. So now we set up the languages. It's great. It's great. You can commit everything. It's pretty cool. So let's commit. Yeah. Get all languages. Yeah. So that was a nice part to do. Next is the step 3. Let me take a break. See you.